Hello guys, this is your KF review, and today we're going to review the 2022 Nissan Patrol 132 scale by Chimei model from China. Alright, so before that, please hit the subscribe, like, and don't forget to share this video for other viewers to see my latest uploads. So without the further ado, let's get started. So now I'm just gonna show you first the box since I'm not yet gonna unbox for this time. So as you can see here, these are in the Chinese text model, and as you can see here, these are the details that are available for this vehicle. So this Nissan Patrol is actually big, so you won't expect this is more heavy than the other cars. So I'm just gonna unbox it. So let's go. So we're gonna open it here. Okay, so just gonna pull this out. Alright. So for your information, this Nissan Patrol has its own roof racks as well by Chimei model. Alright. So as you can see here, we're just gonna put it like this. So we're just gonna snap these um four clips in this roof rail. Alright, so it's matched, so it's gonna be looking like this. So this car, all doors are openable, especially the bonnet and also the tailgate. This car also has its own tow hitch as well, but it's actually fake, since it's just all you have to do is just put it up and down, and that's it. This car is 95 percent of mint condition. I will just do a bit of wash over, then that's the time that I will post this in my social media or my news feed. So here, you have doors here at the side, so I'm just gonna use my nails to open the door since it's actually very nice. So I'm just gonna open this door like this. Same also from the other side as well. So as you can see, it's snapping. So alright guys, this is how you open the doors. It's actually like that. You also have the engine bay as well, and these two doors as well. So this Nissan Patrol has 6-spoke wheels. It's just a bit dirty since I just went in a photo shoot at the province of Laguna. And then you can see here, this has 4-spoke steering wheel with power controls. This is automatic transmission with console. It's a big head unit. This is 2 pesos automatic. Then the interior is different from the one I reviewed at the Philippine International Motor Show 22. Right, it's actually different since the interior is kind of orange, while this is the different color of this vehicle. So the gas cap is located at the left. Then as you can see here, this is the pullback tire at the back side. This is the rear wheels. So one more thing I'm showing you is the tailgate. So as you can see, it's actually pulled up. Taillight as well, and thank gosh, they also have a reflectors for safety. Alright, so I will just close these doors. So alright guys, I'll show you the pullback off-road of this vehicle. So this is pull back. It's actually less vibration. So I'm just gonna do like this, and you see the sound. So the vibration is less noise compared to the other vehicle that is so noisy. Right. So speaking of this car has sound addition at the hood. So let's get to it. Right, guys, here it is. So also another model here is they have the air intake at this fender, and then you also have a silver step board. The handles are actually at its own car color. Then for this Chimei model roof rack, you could actually open it like this. Right, so you can see here there is nothing inside. This is actually a props, to be honest. Yep. So okay guys, we're about to end this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to see my description if you're willing to check out my other social media platforms. So thank you guys for watching.